Welcome back to another video.
Vanessa! And we are doing
Squishy haul.
So
Squishers make it rain.
we have 18 here.
Yeah, 18 I'm pretty sure.
And yeah, so we're gonna get started in the video. And how this video works, since there's two of us, is I pick one of hers and she picks one of mine until we run out.
And
So
then
when
we we say what they're from.
showing the squishy.
No,
And then
not in the, you can't see
and
it.
then yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. That's technically what
And
we're
there's
doing.
this one
We're gonna-
really tiny one that fits in my hand right now. I know because it fits in my hand.
That's hers. Okay, I'm gonna do this one first.
Okay.
So the first
Just
squishy
wait
we
till
have here is Vanessa's. It's where you can buy it is,
I actually don't know what I got for Christmas.
and it's actually super small because you can crumple it up in your hand. But it's very fast rising.
Yeah, very. And you can put it on a little keychain.
I like to squish my squishies with my hands like that so they don't rip. But sometimes I go like this just to be fun. And yeah, so the finished ones go over here.
Okay.
Sorry for the lighting.
My turn. So do I have to pick
One
A
of
or
mine.
B? Or A or B?
A.
Okay. This one. Because we have different types. Okay, this is a squishy color. It's 2 cookies.
Yeah,
chocolate
you
chip
can buy it at
cookies.
Michael's.
You get it at Michael's. Memory
And-
foam?
Yeah, it's not very fun. And also, you can buy it from white because it's made for you to color on it.
It's really soft.
Shows on it, like go up to the camera.
It's really soft.
And it's so slow rising.
Really slow.
So yeah, that's that one.
Okay.
And
Are you gonna pick a B?
I'm gonna pick A or B. A.
A.
So this one is a kitty donut. It's Vanessa's. You get it at
Claire's.
and actually I might go to Claire's someday because I have a Claire's gift card.
I know.
And
which
it
one I'm
is
doing
very slow rising.
now. Is it Claire's?
I like it a lot.
What I'm doing next is sort of slow rising.
That is slow rising. And that's it. Donut. Kitty donut. Cute.
Adorable. Okay. Okay, so this one's Zayla's. It is a Kawaii milk.
Squish it.
It's like
Good.
slow rising,
Oh yeah, I forgot to do it to that one.
but not too slow rising. And it's just freaking
How about we
cute.
do 2 squishies at a time? So you squish this one. And yeah, so kitty donut.
And
Kawaii.
milk kawaii.
And I'm gonna do, you pick one of mine and I
Oh,
pick
and you
one.
get the milk off of
Of
Wish.
Okay, so this one is hers.
This one's hers.
I'll describe mine and then
Okay.
you describe hers. It has like these sprinkles at the top and it's like a jumbo. And you get it from
Showcase.
Showcase.
You should know this.
Most of the ones she has are from Showcase. Well, 2.
No, I only have one from Showcase.
Oh, what about, oh wait, never mind. 1, 2, 2. Okay, so. And then the one that's mine that she has.
Is a muffin. It has like a bump going in.
And it looks kind of realistic.
Yeah, and it is
Kind of.
yeah, kinda.
You get it
I
from-
have
I actually got this in New Brunswick, so it's pretty far away from the dollar store.
I have another squishy, but it's not
Someone
here
lost
right
it?
now. I lost
Yeah.
it. It's a kitty hamburger.
So now,
Oh, Zayla, I want to tell you something.
What?
This is gonna be the whole world's gonna be able to hear this. Guess what I had?
whisper. Oh my gosh, you never had a hamburger before. Okay.
It was last night was my first night. I mean
Okay,
tonight.
so now you pick your own paper ones and I'll pick my own.
Okay.
So
You
the
mean-
next one I have, I just grab it first, is a cake. It's a jumbo, like this cake.
That's my favorite one I made.
And it's pretty squishy. Not so slow rising though.
Yeah, no, that's
And you get it from Walmart.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure. I actually don't know.
Yeah, you get that at Walmart. This is a gym bag.
It's
It's
made
backwards.
by her.
I made it, and it has plastic bags, tape, and paper. That's how you make it.
So, we'll do.
We'll make some of these. She made some in a video, and I reviewed some and made one in a video.
So this one is pancakes. I think you get it from Walmart.
Yeah, you do.
And it is like it's cool because they have stacks.
Do you want to hear?
Sure.
Yes. I've been waiting to do this.
And yeah, I find it is a jumbo. You do your jumbo, I do my jumbo. It is a jumbo, and I like it a lot.
So this is your jumbo?
And yeah, you get it from Walmart. Yes, that is mine.
Okay.
So you're here.
And this is a bag of chips that Zayla made.
Oh.
It's BBQ chips made in, it says made in Canada. It's very slow rising. It feels different than her other ones. And it's just freaking cute.
Oh my gosh, this one is so soft. She wanted to do this one, but then she wanted to do that one. She wanted to do this one that I did. So now I'm taking the toast. And it is not made with plastic bags. It's made with cotton, tape, and paper. And it is very like soft.
Like cotton balls?
Like cotton stuff. I don't know.
We can make some with the cotton balls. This one is like a failed one. It has tissue. It has Kleenex or tissues, whatever you call it, in it. And then it's like doesn't work at all. Whatever.
This one is a chocolate bar I also made.
Should I put?
Be too loud. Just don't do that. That one's weird.
Yeah.
And I like it because look, it looks like the wrapper thing. I was like down there,
I'm doing this one.
and it's very slow rising. You guys just can't see it.
It's like
But I find it
I'm braiding her
surprising.
braids. Okay. Time for this one. So it's the iPhone. It says 208.
I made it.
A bunch of different apps. Zayla made it. iPhone X, and it was made in Canada. And it's very fast rising.
That's because it went all the way up to the top. This one is popcorn, and actually looks like a real squishy, which I like a bit. So yeah, and we have two more. What?
I put them in front of us.
I know, but I saw them. It was like, do we have two more? Okay. So we have our jumbos now. The super jumbo, bigger than this one, bigger than this one, bigger than this one,
Bigger than this one.
and they
Are awesome.
Damn.
This one's just plain. On the back, it just says a bunch of words. It says bag, stuff, squishy, hello, if you want. Bunch of random words. Random words.
Okay, so we're gonna review them again. So this one, jumbo, okay. Other jumbo, pancakes,
Ice creams,
milk.
cake,
Not going so fast. Popcorn,
cookies,
cake, again,
iPhone,
muffin,
gym bag,
toast,
chips,
chocolate,
out, failed squishy,
and we have one
and
more.
last but not least,
Yeah.
donuts.
I forgot we had that one. But we have another one, but it's kind of broken, so we just kicked it out.
Yeah.
Video. And this only took 10 minutes. Wow. So,
I thought that would take 20.
two are like 15. And surprise attack. No squishy giveaways. None.
Not one.
So lucky you, winner out there, that no one won.
Wow.
And no one won. Because I don't have enough subscribers for a giveaway. Just yet.
If both of our channels reach
Get more than
100, at least 100, we'll do
a giveaway.
squishy giveaways. We'll be giving away 10 squishies, 5 to my channel, 5 to her channel. And if any of you guys are our best friends that go to our school, you're not winning.
Yeah. See, random people.
Yeah, random
Random
subscribers.
people, Juliana.
Random people, Kaden. Because
So,
he subscribed to her. Random people, Asia.
random people. Wait, that is a random people. Hi, Power Guy. I know you already subscribed to me, but here's another shout out. This took 11 minutes. And yeah, so if you guys subscribe to me, I'll give you a shout out.
And thank you, Zayla, for subscribing to me. She's right there.
And I'm not getting the giveaway from her channel for some reason, because I think I should get it.
You're not getting it because
But
you're my best friend in the whole
anyways-
entire world with Julie.